discussion point was the pitch. I don't know whether you can remember. That was sorted out. Now the big discussion point is around the ticketing and access control. And there's no way to beat around the bush with this, and it's something we had to confront front on. Jessica referred to the earlier items, but why is it an issue? Overcapacity at the venue, we can't allow that. It's a huge safety risk. We all know a derby in 2025 where we had 20,000 people over capacity. It was a joint decision from the ESSBC and all stakeholders. We cannot allow that. If you don't allow that, you need to stop those people that gain access at another spot. And that is what we confronted with, and that is what caused the problem, and why I pleaded with people, stick with us. I understand the frustration, I understand the negativity, but we need to take back the venue to the supporters that love the game and that purchase tickets to legitimately enjoy the festivities. Now, the numbers show us, and some of you know it offhand now, in the last hour of the derby, we need to get 51,000 people into the venue. That gives you 9 seconds if you scan each and every individual. There's pressure on that system, and the fact that the general, not PKPF, General PF Kekana is sitting next to me is testimony to the fact that we've got the buy-in from all stakeholders with the ESSBC. We asked the fans, please allow us to enhance your experience by arriving earlier. Please allow us in that last hour to scan 30,000 people and not 51,000. If you've got 51,000, you're going to have a delay at the scanning point. No ticketing system, not 1,000 more police officers, not 2,000 more security officers will allow that to happen quicker. What we do have an obligation on is to ensure that the equipment you use is up to a standard that it can not scan 5 people a minute where we're currently at, but that you can move towards that 9-second, 10-second birth. So on the weekend, we've again got an upgrade on the scanning devices at the access points, which I believe will assist and alleviate the problem. But the plea to the fans is, please stick with us with this. We need to push it through. And the next thing is, as Jessica said, please arrive early.